Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss another update from Krishna Arun. So guys, welcome to Krishna Arun. Today in this video I'll be telling you whether you should install apps from unknown sources, that is other than Play Store, so like from different websites. So in this video I'll be telling you about it, so let's get started. So I know I've made a lot of videos on installing apps from unknown sources, so actually it is not safe for us. I know there are a lot of videos, and then even when we switch on that symbol of unknown sources, that icon, so even our phone warns us about it, that installing it from unknown sources can cause some malware into our phone. Malware can enter into our phone, so we should not install it until and unless it is necessary. Like there are some things which you need to take and it is necessary for you, so you can take it from the web, from the internet, and that too from an APK file. So talking about it, so the matter of fact is, the moment we install it, the security of our phone is in our hands, and then so thereby it is in our hands. So in most of the cases our phone goes out of warranty, but still in 90% of the cases, and in rest of the 10% of the cases, companies still take it, and then they take it out of warranty, so they do not service our phone, or they service it and take a lot of money. So I would recommend you all not to install it, because it can cause data leaks to the it can cause data leaks of our call history, contacts, and then gallery, photos, videos, everything you click, and WhatsApp chats too. So I think you all have understood. So the moral of this video is that we should not install unknown sources, apps from unknown sources. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. So guys, the video has come to an end. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to share. Hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you in my